Assalamu alaikum everybody. In this video, I am going to show you a mystery box. And in that box, you will see our lovely thing that is very useful for me. And you know what? I ordered that thing online 5 days ago. And finally, I have got that thing. And because of that, I want to show you that mystery thing. And that thing is very useful for me, and that thing can be useful for you. So let me show you what is this thing. This is the mystery box for you guys, and I know you are so excited to see what is in mystery box. Okay, so don't worry, please watch this video till the end if you want to see what is in this mystery box. The thing which is in this box, that is very useful for me, and it can be useful for you. So please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to unbox this mystery box in this video right away. So let's unbox this mystery box right away. Can you guess what is inside in this box? Can you guess? Do you have any idea what can be inside this box and what would be inside this box? Do you have any idea? Can you guess? Oh my goodness, how can we guess without knowing what is inside in this box? So don't worry, don't guess right now, because I'm going to reveal what is inside in this mystery box. So should we start this video ahead? May I unbox this mystery box for you? Of course, I must unbox this mystery box for you. So don't worry, let me unbox for you. And this is a knife. And with this knife, I'm going to unbox this mystery box for you. Okay, so let's see what would be inside this box. Let me unbox it for you. Now I am unboxing, and finally I have unboxed this box. Can you guess what is inside in this box? Oh, I'm so excited for it, because this is very fruitful for me, and I'm going to use it beautifully. Okay, can you guess? This is a trimmer, and every man loves using it in order to cut their beard, their mustache. So it has several use. Okay, now you can see, let me show you more thing about it. Okay, so this is the trimmer which I ordered online from Flipkart, and finally I have got this thing today, and I'm so happy for this thing. Okay, so this is for enough for today, and now I've revealed what was inside the box. Okay, inside mystery box, and hopefully you liked my video. Now it's time to show you what I have got in tumor bugs. Means what all have I got in tumor bugs. Okay, so I will show you one by one. Okay, so please wait and let me show you one by one. So first thing first, I have got a tumor machine. Okay, and second one, I've got a charging cable of tumor machine, and third one is I've got a brush which will help me to clean the hair which would be on the machine. Okay, and I've got some oil of tumor machine. It is used in tumor machine to let tumor machine run smoothly. So this is the oil for that. Okay, and finally I have got 3 kits. Okay, and that is very useful, so it will help me to set the here means on on which size I want to cut my beard and mustache, so it will help me for that. Okay, so this type of thing I've got from inside humor box. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll see you in my upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself and keep smiling.